y'all, it's me. I am back with my favorite summertime fruit, watermelon. I have one every week in the summer. I go through these so quickly. Today I wanted to show you how to make a watermelon refresher with 4 simple ingredients, if you consider ice to be an ingredient. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this watermelon. Just move my things to the side. Now the way I cut up watermelons is unlike a lot of other people. I cut off the end to make a stand. And then I just start from the top and cut around. All right, so get some of the rind off, and we are done cutting the rind. So now we'll just cut up the watermelon, just like that. Okay, so this happens to be one with the white seeds. It's not a lot, so I'm not gonna bother picking them out, but you don't want seeds in your watermelon refresher. But I'm gonna just take half of this one. I cut it in half, and I cut it in half again. So this is a little more, this is almost 3 cups. So I'm just gonna use this piece here. The 3 cups of watermelon, you wanna cut it in cubes because you're gonna put it in the blender. So I have my Vitamix here, where you can use any high-speed blender that you have. Just throw everything in. All right. And then now, I'm gonna take my lime, cut in half, and just squeeze the lime in there. If you like it really limey, you can put both halves in there, a whole lime that is, or you can do half if you just want a little bit of citrus. This really brings out the flavor. Now, if you don't have a sweet watermelon, you can always add like a simple syrup. You put 1 cup of sugar and 1½ cup of water, and you put that over a flame, and you allow the sugar to dissolve, thicken a little bit, but not boil. And then once it thickens, you let it cool off completely, and you have a simple syrup. And then you can add it to any drink you want, as opposed to adding sugar. It's almost like liquid sugar. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this up. And if you don't use sugar, you can always use a little pinch of stevia. But that's only if you don't have a sweet watermelon. All right, so now we have our liquefied watermelon juice with lemon. And then we're gonna add a little bit of ice, because we want it nice and chill, and we also want a little frosty. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that up again. All right, so that's done. And from here, we're going to put it in our glasses, because we have one more step. I like to use these wine glasses. And you pour about 3/4 full of liquid watermelon juice, and you top it off with some sparkling water. In this case, I have San Pellegrino. You can use any sparkling water you want, and you can also make this a brunch treat and add a little Prosecco to it, and maybe a twist of lemon, or maybe even some pomegranate seeds in there. Okay, but it's a simple recipe: watermelon, lime, ice, and your sparkling water. This is really good. So try it and let me know how you like it. Very simple, very good. And if you want more recipes just like this one, don't forget to pick up my book, feed living food recipes to be made and eaten with love. Over 150 raw, vegan, vegetarian recipes for beginners or seasoned plant-based eaters. Meat eaters welcome. So go to my website, chefreginacooks.com.